Okay, one more important thing I'm going to let you know about that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you're in compliance with the law, the FTC, and everybody else. See all this stuff at the bottom of the page here, okay? All these right here, terms and conditions. This is on a different site. And all these terms and conditions, but you want to have your terms and conditions written out and be in compliance with the law. You do not want to get people after you and get fined and different things. You have anti-spam policies, okay? You have contact us, copyright infringement notices, okay? You've got different, the FTC statement letting people know that you're going to make a commission. You want to be in full force. You want to do everything legal in your business. Now, in the resource section, I'll put a plug-in over there, a link for a plug-in that you can pick up to where it makes it really easy. All you do is fill out the information, and it will create all these pages for you. And you just go in and put in your information in the proper places and everything. It's real easy, and this way you're in full compliance with the law. Okay, I just wanted to touch on that so you'll stay inside the laws. Don't get the internet police after you. Okay, we'll be legal on all this stuff. All right, let's move on.